Hello everybody, my name is Dolly from Super Achievers. Here I would like to share with you some good news as IDP has launched IELTS indicator. That IELTS indicator for those candidates, those who want to apply for IELTS academic, and it is the like you can product of IELTS only. And instead, as lockdown is going on, people are not able to go out. They have introduced this exam which you can write at your home only. You are not supposed to go outside for this exam. So today I want to share in detail about this IELTS exam, IELTS indicator. Here we go. Yes, as I told, it's IDP product. IDP has introduced because of this COVID-19 situation. Nobody can go outside, and here they have introduced in terms of IELTS real exam. You can experience this exam. You can take this as IELTS official exam you are going to write. And now I'm going to discuss what is IELTS indicator, as it is launched by IDP for the those aspirant, those who want to apply for study abroad. It is only for that because of their admission deadlines are there. They can use this scorecard. But here you want to know one thing: all universities and colleges are not going to take this. Some universities and colleges which are going to take that. I'm going to share the detail in the description. You will find that as well, and in this video further you will find that link as well. So as already mentioned, you can write this exam at your home only, on your laptop or desktop, with the help of internet. And it is, I think, more convenient and comfortability for you. And another positive thing is that it is the exam which is assessed by real examiner, IELTS examiner. IELTS who are going to write, who are going to assess real exam of IELTS, they are going to take your IELTS indicator exam. They are going to mark, they are going to follow same criteria which they are going to follow als actual exam, official exam. And its result you are going to find 7 working days. Its result easily available. And here we have some other news about it. As I told, universities and colleges are going to take this IELTS indicator, and they are going to take in instead of real exam of IELTS, because worldwide IELTS dates are blocked. Here you will find some benefits of the IELTS indicator. First benefit, as I told, it is one sitting exam. You can write anywhere. And here they, in this exam you are not going to do only one skill. In this exam you are going to attend full exam, like in that listening, reading, writing, speaking, as in your real IELTS exam. And all measures, all parameters, format, and assessment parameters for as same as IELTS actual exam you are going to perform at their centers. And this exam, second, its advantage is that you can write at your home. Though it is online exam, complete online exam, and as some locations totally lockdown is going on, nobody is going outside. It is good for them as well. Instead of those aspirant, they are not going to waste their time to wait when dates are going to open. They can use this IELTS indicated score for their admissions as well. And third benefits are the universities and educational institutions can use IELTS indicator for the application purpose, for admission purpose, for their enrollment, for their colleges and universities. and you can trust this exam. Fourth benefit is that you can trust this exam as IELTS official exam. Here we have another, like you can now you have idea where to go, how to go, and where you will find this exam. Here there is a website, you can explore it, www.ieltsindicator.com. And some dates they open, like 27th May 2020 academic and 3rd June 2020 academic, you will find on their website, and you can book your exam through their website. And it is totally, for the exam fees is $149, 149 US dollar, and they accept Indian currency as well. And it is good for student aspirant, those who want to take admission, they are waiting to open the IELTS exam, open officially, at the test center. Meanwhile they can try this exam, it is very beneficial for them. I want to share about it, about Super Achievers Abroad Education. I want to tell you what is Super Achiever Institute about. Super Achievers is the institute, best institute, not in Gurgaon, across India and across world for the online preparation. We run classes, you can say nowadays online classes 24 by 7, and people are going to take admission or classes across the world online. And you, if you want to take any type of the assistance, any type of the preparation courses, you can contact us, our WhatsApp or call, you can do anything, and our website is there, you can explore it, and you will get better idea of your previous results. Students are going to score with us with proper I would say preparation. Some are going to score short span of time, some are getting like 1 month preparation, and but they are achieving their, like whatever their requirement easily. And if they follow correctly whatever we offer them properly. And this is our mail ID, if you want to contact us you can contact anytime, anywhere. And thank you, happy preparation, have a good day.